I think that people are not very open-minded regarding this topic, so it's usually that they would hide the real reason.
Bok ekipa, moje ime je Petra i dobrodošli u ediciju Vruće priče s ulice, gdje rušimo stigmu i tabue menopauze.
No, not really, no.
As a male, sometimes I don't even know if women are in menopause or not.
Well, yeah, it's surprising. It shouldn't be like that.
And a lot of us is just going through the pain as if it wasn't important, and they're going to work anyway.
Usually that they would hide the real reason.
We don't formally have something such as 1 day per month free, but we are quite open in the
They're probably hiding it. They probably use it for menopause reasons, but they don't admit it, I guess. Yeah.
So I've seen people that they did because they had the environment welcoming these motivations, and others that they just stopped because that was like shamed.
If women feel that they need it, they should be able to freely use it, I guess, and don't be ashamed to admit it, that they need that leave.
Croatia might be an open country, but personal stuff still is very personal. So